I believe that real life hope, it is you.
I cannot believe the response from our teachers.
It's your story. It's through the things in life that you go through that make you who you are.
What really touched with me is he talked about failure.
So if you're not talking about your feelings and you're not telling the full truth and you're not fully connecting with the people around you, and what we're really doing when we do that is we're holding back hope.
Looking back, I was just an emotional, angry kid that didn't know how to manage his mind, didn't know how to manage his emotions, and I was not taught that at school. I wasn't taught that at home. My mom wasn't taught that at school. And as I got older and older and older, I realized we don't teach this in school. We don't teach kids how to manage their mind or their emotions. The social and emotional learning curriculum is non-existent in a lot of states, not every state. I've traveled and I've seen where it's implemented and where they use it, and it's a game changer.
From the very beginning, over the last 9 weeks, I've had the opportunity to talk to Jared through text message and phone message and be able to get a sense of his desire and his drive to change lives and bring about conversation with kids and help them move forward in their lives. He is an amazing human. He has a heart that he wants to help every single person, and I have witnessed that countless times over the last few days as he has hugged kids and cried with those kids and helped them and just helped them see their potential. That shows character, and I really believe that he has this heart and this character in the greater good, and I'm grateful that we were able to have him here.
And the truth is, every single one of you in this room has a story. They're all significant, they're all valid, and they all need to be heard. I remember the exact day I got a call from my best friend. He was crying so hard that I couldn't even understand him. He told me that his girlfriend at that time had just died by suicide. So that day, music was my solution. I said, bro, come over to the house, let's put together a song, and then we'll take the song to the schools, we'll rap it to the kids. We'll let everybody know that they're not alone. And the reason I had that idea was because his girlfriend was a happy girl.
So the message is not only for individuals personally and have compassion for yourself, but as they're expanding their compassion to take care of others.
That even the deepest, darkest moments in each and every one of our lives has the potential to one day become that light at the end of the tunnel for somebody else.